Hey besties, my name is Bahati and welcome to my birthday prep vlog. I'm going to show you guys and take you guys along with me for all the preparations and plans and ideas that I have. I do have the theme of pastel blue and butter yellow, or pastel yellow, I guess, if you want to call it that. And yeah, come along with me and I hope you guys enjoy. Guys, I've been to Marshall's, Burlington, TJ Maxx. I'm going to Five Below, and then I'm going to Goodwill, and that's going to be all the stops for today. I was trying to see if I could find pillows to replace the ones I have that are like closer in shade, but I'm not finding anything. And I'm also trying to find like a runner to put like on a table. I also need like a table type thing. So yeah, we'll see what I find. I also want a picnic basket, but I doubt I'm gonna find that because we're about to enter fall. Everybody has their Halloween stuff up. I actually found them, and there's a lot of them. The only difference is this one is the perfect shape that I want, and these are all slightly different, and that's gonna bother me. What if I just buy this wedding dress and wear it for my birthday? It looks nice. Look at the lace detailing. Look at that. Right? This could work. I think this is a literal picnic basket. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is even better. Look at that. This is the same price. Oh my gosh, it's cheaper too. Okay, chat, I am now at Dollar Tree. I'm looking for like name tags and stuff. I can't find what I'm looking for, but I did find these. Also, don't worry about my eyebrows. I know they got a little messed up. I was rubbing them. I found these and I'm thinking, what if I paint this part white and then put people's names, right? Because I kind of want like white tags, but I don't see them right now. And then next to them or near them, I see these. So I'm thinking, what if I put like white paper in here and then I write their names? But I just remembered that they have these little frames. Hopefully they have these little frames in this one that I can just use. And I think they usually use those for like wedding guests. But let me go find them and let you guys know. But if I do the metal, I can use something like this. Well, maybe a different color. Because if I paint it white, I wouldn't want it in white. Well, I'm also thinking about getting some vases. So what if I do yellow ones? Because I'm going to be doing the blue runner. This look cute, and then I could mix the flowers, and I could get like 2 of these maybe. They have these, so maybe I can have an idea for these. Y'all, I just thought of one of the greatest things. Hold on, let me put y'all here. The lighting is terrible, but bear with me. What if I get these, right? I take the photo out, I put their names on them. I could put it this way so that, you know, we can be their full names that way. And then, because I want to do Polaroids as well, the end of the picnic, they could take the Polaroid and put it in here. And they can have this in their house as a little photo frame. picnic and little celebration type of thing. And I got my Amazon packages. No, got this picnic thingamabob. We're supposed to open it up, lay it out, and it's supposed to be like water resistant and all that, so it's easy to clean up stuff. But I wanted it in yellow, and this is looking like a yellow orange. I have a whole theme, so I very much care about the color. The thing that I got is a fly repellent thing. I heard good things about this. I've seen good things about this. I'm hoping it works so that no flies or bugs get around our food when we eat. This one is probably the most exciting one of the two. Ta-da! Yes, 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 yes. I've always wanted a Unice, whatever you want to, however you want to choose to pronounce it. I always wanted one of their wigs, and I've always wanted one of the ones that were glueless. So I got something like that. This is how it looks. Let's see what it comes with. Wig cap, of course. Ooh, it has some nails. It comes with some nails. I didn't even know they made nails. I haven't gotten my nails. I'm gonna have to see if Dollar Tree has nails tomorrow, or I have to go to the hair store to get nails. Of course, a band. I think this is tape. Oh, this is nice. Look at her. Do y'all see that? And then I got a letter board. I think I'm gonna start off with this first. I got a cake. I didn't know cakes were so expensive. I did, but I don't know why. I would just, yeah. I'm gonna try to redecorate my cake. I wanted a heart-shaped cake and blue like frosting alongside, or like whipped cream. Yeah, it ended up being a little more than I thought. So I was like, you know, I always had a plan B of getting a cake and doing it myself, you know, because I'm such a creative, you know. Why did I'm saying, you know, a little too much. Let's get back into this. Good afternoon, besties. So today is the day that we are doing the picnic, and I just got home from work. So I kind of was supposed to plan everything last night, which is why I was running around in all these different stores getting everything last minute. I was initially gonna put the wig that you guys saw me unbox yesterday, but I don't think I'm gonna do that just because I don't want to go through the hassle of installing a wig. So I think I'm gonna wear this one that I'm wearing right now, and I'm gonna do a headband because I do have a headband that's hopefully it matches the dress. But yeah, I've had this headband for a while. I'm like, oh my god, use it. I'll find somewhere to use it. So I'm gonna do that because the style for the hair that I wanted isn't gonna work out. But anyways, I digress. I need to get ready, and then I need to head to the park and set everything up. Yeah, and I gotta charge my devices. I didn't even update y'all, but I'm at the park. We have came late, and I haven't even gotten ready. We're not ready. In all my years of coming to this park, I've never been in the bathroom, and it's actually kind of nice. It has a Chanel poster, this big, lovely, interestingly decorated, not interesting in a bad way, but it's just like, I don't know how to explain it. And look at a bigger mirror, another big mirror. And it's clean. Like, I did not expect that because this is a public park, but then again, we are in West Hartford, so yeah. But I gotta look at that. I gotta wipe that off. About to put my dress on, and then let the festivities begin. They're setting up over there. I'm about to set up the drinks. look at that one. Pictures. Let's look it.
I'm talking
when I tell you, like, I really be like, I need to be in my soft girl era. Like, literally, I envisioned this as like a Lana Del Rey, like Del Rey. Lana Del Rey inspired.
The vision
like
we had, Bahati ate.
it's being executed. It's being killed. That's how executed it is. Yeah.
A runaway bride. Okay.
Something like that. There are things I want to say to you, but I'm just not done.
Oh, come on. Hi guys. Oh my god, this is so calm, peaceful.
What? It's supposed to be feminine energy.
You see that?
Just like that. Just like that. Look, guys, let me run off in the distance.
A runaway bride. Rahamu.
I wonder if they captured it.
Y'all guess what's in her cup?
TP. It's lemonade. It's lemonade.
We could pick up some flowers. The flowers are real cute.
This is so cute. Do it. Why not? You want the yellow one?
Oh yeah, I'll be picking the flowers.
You can pick them.
I don't think you're supposed to.
Yeah.
But I only do one, y'all.
It's a conservatory.
I only do one. She said she want to read this one because it has pictures, y'all.
This one, I think, right?
This is my genre, even though I haven't really read in a while. But I literally have this. I think I have this one. I don't think I have this one. And I need this one. I need this one. This is a classic, y'all. Judy B. Jones. Judy Moody. They have a Spider-Man one, Betty. They have an Iron Man one too. They have SZA. This is my favorite SZA song album. This is my favorite Taylor Swift album. The Eiffel Tower, what?
Which
The movie, yeah, the Disney movie. As soon as I look at this, all the stars.
no, as soon as I seen somebody in the church, but yeah, I forgot about that movie. It's new. Maybe it's out money.
This is not supposed to be. This one was here. This one was here. I wouldn't buy that one. I would buy Born to Die. I mean, yeah. Oh, they have chemtrails. Born to Die is blueness, y'all. So underrated. The Tarzan soundtrack, so underrated.
Bro, that was supposed to be good. Oh, that would have been. Oh, yeah, that would have been tough. Yeah, she thought originally she didn't say Jesus. That would have been better. That would have been better.
Hey besties. Okay, so it is the end of the day. Let me look at you directly in the eye, make eye contact, you know. Anyways, it is the end of the day. It is the end of the night. Everybody just left, like literally everybody. I'm home alone now. Shar and her cousins just left. We were just playing chameleon, right? And before that, we went to Blue Bag and we were walking around. The picnic was great. My vision, like I kid you not, it was perfect. Like everybody that's been in this vlog, thank you so much. Thank you for making it happen. Stay tuned for the pictures. Go on Instagram if you're not already following me, because why are you not following me already? And then yeah, I hope you guys like this little video. I'm so happy. I'm so excited, like, just to look over everything, because I'm not the one to take the pictures and stuff. Like, I haven't looked over all the pictures and the videos and stuff, so I'm really very like giggly about it, because I know they turned out good, even though I haven't seen them all. So I'm ready to see them all. Anyways, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for the birthday wishes, and I love you guys. Continue to support me on this content creation journey, because we will grow together and I will give back onto you. I can't wait to give back to you, y'all. Like, I've been planning giveaways and things that I can do for y'all, and I haven't even like started getting paid off YouTube yet. So make that happen. Go watch another one of my videos. Anyways, yeah, bye.